Hi, my name is Joel. Welcome to today's video tutorial. I'll be walking you through the process of creating Zapier integration on your AlgoDocs account for fetching extracted data from AlgoDocs to Google Sheets. So join me as I head over to the integrations page. I select Zapier, and I use the Create button. I am required to create a trigger, and the flow is from AlgoDocs to Google Sheets. So the first app we'll be working with will be AlgoDocs. I have to select an event that will start my Zap, and for me that is whenever there's an extracted table row available. I click the Continue button. My AlgoDocs account is connected. I continue. Now I have to select a folder which I want to fetch the extracted data from and a document extractor. I click Continue. Now I test my trigger. It says no extracted table row found. So I go back to my AlgoDocs account. In File Manager, I upload a file into the folder I selected in the previous step using the same extractor. I can close that and return to my Zapier integration. I test my trigger again, and my trigger now has recognized a new table row that has been extracted. So I click Continue. The next app will be Google Sheets because we're fetching the data from AlgoDocs Google Sheets. For my event, I want the Zapier to create multiple spreadsheet rows. I click Continue. My Google account is already connected. Now I have to select a drive. If you don't do this, it is selected for you by default. Next, I select a spreadsheet, and then a worksheets. So where did this spreadsheet and worksheet appear from? In my Google Sheets, I already have a spreadsheet created, and it has one worksheet with columns. And these columns are matching the columns in my extracted data. Let's head over to my extracted data to have a look. Here I have a table with these columns headers. In my spreadsheet, I have identical columns headers. So basically, I duplicated the columns in my extracted data into my spreadsheet. Why I did that is because I want the data in these columns to be populated into my Google Sheets. My Zap can see the column headers in my spreadsheet. Now, if I select a particular column name, I can search for the name that corresponds with it on my AlgoDocs extracted data. By doing this, I am telling my Zap to populate invoice number column in Google Sheets with invoice number extracted data in AlgoDocs. So I'm going to repeat the same step for all columns. I have matched the spreadsheet columns with their corresponding columns from AlgoDocs. I click Continue. If I test this step, what happens is that all this data will be replicated into my Google Sheets. It says a Create Multiple spreadsheet has been sent to Google Sheets. With this, I can go ahead and rename my Zap. My Zap is renamed and I can publish it. Now, whenever I upload a new file into my file manager and selected extractor, my Zap will automatically send the extracted table row to Google Sheets. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you continue to use the numerous features that AlgoDocs offers. Remember, if you have any question or you require support, you can always reach out to us at support@algodocs.com and we will give you a quick response. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.